So welcome Ravali, all in rank 2, CS professional. Congratulations first of all to you and your family.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very
Oh,
much. It's all because of you.
no, nothing because of me. It's sheerly because of your hard work and your patience and determination, and obviously family support, which is very important.
Yes, yes, sir. Very much true, sir. It's all because of family support and majorly because of you, teachers like you. Even though not face to face, but it was almost like face to face, and I was like sitting in the classroom and listening to you. I purchased your classes, Drive Link all the classes, and that was very much helpful. And last computer company law wala missions, that was
Yes,
awesome. That was
that
awesome.
was out of the world.
Yes, yes. Last minute, till that exam minute, you were holding our hand, and we would. It was like not cakewalk, but even though because of your tips and because of your way of teaching, we could write it very easily. At least we had that confidence that I wrote it well.
These
That's
are
all I.
great words that you have bestowed upon me. I am very much, excited for your rank. And with God's grace, I've been fortunate that in this term, I have mentored all in rank 1, rank 2 yourself. Then rank 4 is also there. Then rank 10 is also there.
Sir, all four subjects: company law, DD, CRI, and drafting. All
Great.
four subjects were just like it was awesome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I used to show your lectures to my father and
Okay.
mother also. They're also good. I mean, qualified, and they can understand what is the content is. The way of teaching and all, they also appreciated. And I have a small kid also. Even he used to see you in
Okay.
Telugu. We used to say sir came. For sir came, he used to say sir vacharu. Sir vacharu. Then he's only
Taracharu.
1 year old. Yes, sir vacharu means sir came.
Okay.
So it means that class has begun. He used to wake up till that company law missions in 9:10. It was the sessions were in the night time
Oh,
was
he used to
he
be
used to he used to awake.
Yavakin.
He used to
Oh
be
my
awake.
God. And
uh,
he also
uh,
used to see me.
yes, sir vacharu, sir vacharu. Otherwise he used to say mama mama, like that.
Oh,
He's only
so
1.5
sweet.
year old.
So sweet. So sweet.
That was
Really.
it was really help of.
And and the same experience with me, like you had. Even my children, sometimes they walk in my studio in the midst of the live class. And
Okay,
I
okay.
don't want to just say them, no, go away, because you see, 12 hours, 14 hours, I'm into this profession every day. So
Yes,
if they
yes.
are coming in my studio, they really want to meet me. So what I do is, like Devanshi, sometimes she come. Okay, Tanish is now grown up. He's 8 years old, but Devanshi is still very small.
Yeah.
Just she had her birthday, fourth birthday,
Ah,
on 26th of September.
yes.
So whenever she comes in midst of the live session, also I also make her sit on my lap and wave her to you guys. So she also likes it.
Yeah, actually, first I have attempted in December 2020, sir. For that
Right,
session, only because of that COVID and all, family
right.
members are also affected with COVID. So I used to watch your YouTube videos for only 1 month. I did, and I could score 40s. And but I could not clear one group also. Only one group I have attempted, but I got 40s by only listening to you. Only listening to your videos only. That's why when as soon as I got the result fail in February 2021, I immediately approached you. I mailed to you and got the classes, got into the classes. From
So
that
December
moment,
20 result was negative. Then you purchased the classes.
yes, yes. At
Got it.
that time, I did not purchase your classes. I used to only that was a very short time, sir. Even though I thought I attempted it in a good way. Without practicing, I cannot expect to excel and
Right.
qualify. But I thought these were very useful, and if I YouTube वाला छोटा छोटा classes इतना मतलब I could score that much, but if I take your classes, I thought I can achieve, and that was really a good decision to purchase your classes actually.
That was a turning point for you.
Yes, yes. Really a turning point. And immediately from February 25th to August 10th, that was like we say yajnam, like a, I don't know what to say in English. That only I stick to my study table. This much timetable I've planned. Even I handled my small kid, my
Yes, it's
mom
very
and my dad.
difficult. Hats off to you for that, huh? Very
Yes,
difficult
everyone
managing
supported me,
everything.
sir. Everyone supported me. That too, YouTube, through YouTube, running classes, every time arranging classes. and syllabus wise you're managing. Everything was very awesome, sir. I thought I am blessed to have be a student.
Thank you. Acha, lot of enrolled students, not lot of enrolled students, but 1% or 2% of the enrolled students, like you are enrolled student, 1%, 2% enrolled students, they sometimes get angry. Sir, why are you coming on YouTube live for the revision, sir? Sir, we are all your enrolled student only. We should be getting the revision classes. Then I tell them, dude, revision classes are for everyone. Like
Yes,
revision
yes,
classes are for everyone. It is
yes.
not only going to polish your concepts, but revision classes, everyone has the equal right.
Yes, sir. I agree with you, but I say one word. Revision classes are quite very different from normal classes, sir. Even though very much I mean content is all covered, but in a very crisp way.
Yes, absolutely.
That a very fast way it is covered. Not
Absolutely.
even single line is missed, but not in a detailed manner. In classes,
Absolutely.
in the classes, every topic is discussed in so many chapters, so many classes. Those hundreds of classes are somewhere away from these revision classes, sir.
That's true. That's true. That
Yeah,
only enrolled student
that
can understand. That
that much, even that much we can also understand, sir. Even we are enrolled, we you charge us even that also. For YouTube you can do that, and we are all with you, sir. That is nothing a problem at all. I don't
yes, because in
accept, I don't agree
the
with
enrolled
such
students get the content which is, um, should I say, 10x of the revision,
yes.
For example, if the enrolled students are getting 200 classes, more than
Yes.
200 classes, um, for any of those modules in the
Yes.
revision, we are not even covering 20 classes, but those 20
Yes.
classes, 10 20 classes are very helpful
Yes.
to cover the syllabus, to make sure that the students are feeling confident about the syllabus. That's also important. That's even important for the enrolled students. Some of the enrolled students say that we have watched all your lectures, so now what is the use of watching the revision classes?
No, that will brush up me, really brush up, because every time we can't read that whole content
Correct.
again and again. We can't watch your hundreds of classes and
Correct.
again and again. 2 times or 1 time full-fledged if we watch, and this revision class we do, everything will be in our mind, and that one line, one word, or whatever you mention, that if you think of that one word, will in mind mein picture aa jayega, wo paragraph pura picture aa jayega. Such as the green shoe option jaisa
Right.
topic tha, big wala. I just love the topic ki बार बार सुनती रही. After that also I asked for extension when that was postponed. That's why I did not cancel your classes. That's because I don't know which topic I need. So I thought I had your classes, and I had you with me all the time till my exams, though online.
Yes, absolutely. I do agree with that. And, that is why I make an extra effort that
Yes.
even I want my students to remain connected with me. So whether it be, yesterday when I came for the pre-result session, let's
Yes,
stay
yes.
positive, everything is going to be okay. Because I understand the anxiety and the trouble that you people are going through. So,
I was not at all मुझे डर नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है कि जीत जाऊंगी, ऐसा नहीं है, पर थोड़ा सा एंजाइटी जरूर था.
absolutely.
पर आई नॉट एक्सपेक्ट, मतलब फेल हो जाऊंगी ऐसा नहीं था. कॉन्फिडेंट थी.
You are confident that you are going to clear.
But I did not expect this all year rank 2 also. That is very big achievement for me.
Trust me, nobody expects a single date all India rank. Okay, nobody
Yes, sir.
expects. But
Yes,
when
sir.
we give our best and we leave the rest, the positive
Yes.
things will happen.
Very sure. Yes, sir. Very, very much true.
So amazing result. I know how proud the family will be.
Yes, yes, sir. Very flying in clouds. They are actually. It has been 6 years, sir. I've passed my executive. That's a very long gap actually. After my marriage, I could not continue my studies. I did my LLB in between, but I could not continue
So
with
after
my
6 years long gap, you again took up the mission of CS professional, and
2014, 6, 7
you have
years.
just nailed it. And you are
Yes,
an
yes.
inspiration. I would again say that you are an inspiration. Like,
Yes.
I was talking to AR4 also, and AR4 also, a lot of, again, the same problem that we have to face in the society. After we get plugged in a particular exam, then the society starts doubting, the parents start doubting, and we ourselves start doubting ourselves, our capabilities. So that's the worst moment for anyone.
Yes,
And
yes.
especially this, problem is more associated with girls in our society,
Yes,
because they I shouldn't say it, but yes, I have seen this, because a lot of girl students, even my own cousin
Hmm.
used to approach me that there is a pressure on me that since now 2 attempts have been over and the results are negative now, रिश्ते आने चालू हो रहे हैं and all those
Hmm.
things.
And one thing also, sir, I learned a big lesson actually. It's something is CS is not something like ऐसे पढ़ते रहेंगे अब पिछले अटेम्प्ट में 35 आया अभी थोड़ा और पढ़ेंगे तो 50 आ जाएगा ऐसा नहीं है. Every time you should give that 100% attempt and I have attempted पूरा 100 marks का 100 marks paper attempt कर दिया था.
I
Actually,
always say if you miss even a single mark, it's a crime.
हाँ.
पेपर छोड़कर आना crime है.
That even then I mean ऐसा अटेंड करे तो भी I will not get even 75 and all 65 we never get in CS.
Yes.
But if you leave 5 marks also you will not at all go to 50. You will not go to 50.
CS, let me tell you, it is so much competitive and the paper checking is so ruthless in CS.
Yes.
That institute, I'll tell you, is awarding 25 all India ranks in the professional level. Okay? 25 all India ranks in the professional level. Whether it be old syllabus, whether it be new syllabus, institute has not been able to award 25 all India ranks. मतलब वो 10-11 रैंक में पिछले बार भी रह गया था, अभी भी 10-11 रैंक में 10 to 11 ranks finish. Why? Because the criteria is minimum 55% to get a rank.
Yes,
Students are struggling to get minimum 55% also. Such ruthless checking CSs.
Yes.
In CSs.
And
so I always tell my students, if you get 55%, you are getting a single date rank for sure. 25 रैंक का कोटा कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. वहां स्टूडेंट लोग बोलते हैं रैंक का लिस्ट बढ़ाओ. यार तो 25 रैंक का लिस्ट है वही कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. कितना ruthless checking है.
हाँ जी. Yes. Every time we used to think I wrote very well, I wrote this much, how did I score so low? We used to think like that, but this time I was not like that, sir, because everything
because you know that पिछले टर्म से बहुत बेटर तुम्हारा इस बार परफॉर्मेंस
बहुत बेटर था. हाँ, we are equally confident that something I've written, whatever I wrote was correct. Bluntly ऐसा कुछ भी ऐसा paragraphs ऐसा सिनेमा थियरी कुछ भी नहीं लिखा. Because I've learned the content. Correct. That is what I could have presented. That's what. Very much satisfied.
So
sir.
your son might not be understanding that why everyone is so joyous today, but he will surely understand its importance once he grows, older.
He did not understand why I'm crying because I'm crying out of my happiness, and he's not understanding why I'm crying. Because of him only, he used to wish me in Telugu, Baga Rai, means write well. Okay. Baga Rai, he used to say. He cannot pronounce it well actually. He's only
obviously
1.5 years
just
old.
1 year or 1 year he was when you were giving the exam or preparing for CS.
Yes.
Now so he's 1.5 years.
Yes. Now he's 2 years old. So 1.5 year old. Yes. Yeah.
Great. These are these are something to be proud of, and these memories will last forever.
Yes, sir. Because that is also, see, if I have not completed this, or if I have left this career, thinking that I've married and all, whatever goes, my husband earns. If I think I can leave it also, but I thought I should have an identity. My son should not think that my mom is an incomplete. Some kind of incompleteness will be there, sir, because this was my dream. This was my father's dream initially. Actually, he was the only one who supported me and who had belief in me that in spite of continuous failures also between these 6 years, he is the only person who believed me. And अभी भी preparation पूरा मायके में ही हुआ था. I left my husband for so many months alone in my house.
God, for how many months? 3 months?
For from February to August 10th.
Almost 6 months.
Yes, 6 months. I thought June में exams हो जाएंगे. पहले वही था ना, फिर postpone हो गया. He was supporting me a lot. My husband also.
Hats off, salute to your husband. What is his name, ma'am? Sandeep.
Yes.
Sandeep ji, hats off and salute to you for showing so much of courage and not listening to the society people that you have everything. Why are you allowing her to do CS? What's that? क्या दरकार है इतना distance relationship maintain करने का? मतलब hats off, salute. You are an inspiration too, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jabardast. We need more people like Sandeep in our society. That is why Raveli, had Sandeep stopped Raveli out of love and affection towards Sandeep. You might not have pursued the course if Sandeep had stopped you or shown any kind of displeasure on that. So hats off to Sandeep also. remaining away and doing your work independently, matlab it's very tough. It's very tough.
Yes.
I can understand being a married man what Sandeep would have gone through.
That's what.
My God, it's very tough. I cannot imagine, I would not lie to you. I cannot imagine my single
Yeah,
day without my wife. I'm so much dependent on her
that's
because
what.
she
That's what.
looks after my, all these professional works also. In fact,
Mhm.
it was she only who
Hmm.
had arranged this session between two of us.
Okay.
So it's very difficult. I can understand the pain that Sandeep has gone
Yes.
through, and
And now
hats
I'm
off,
happy
hats
that
off.
I could withstand his belief.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. नहीं तो और खराब लगता. Absolutely. So we need more people like your father who is so supportive. We need more people like your husband Sandeep who is so supportive. Then only we can truly bring a change in the society. And
Yes.
obviously, without Ravali, these changes cannot be possible. So thank you for inspiring each and every student out there who is
Thank you.
कहीं ना कहीं उलझा हुआ है. Course
हाँ.
छोड़ दिया तो छोड़ ही दिया. Like you said, 6 years later you decided to pick up the course. तो उसमें क्या होता है ना, बहुत बार अपने अंदर डाउट आता है क्या अब हमको ये याद हो सकेगा, क्या हम इस कंसेप्ट को पकड़ सकेंगे, विल द कंसंट्रेशन बी द सेम.
Yes, very
बहुत सारा
true.
सेल्फ डाउट्स आता है.
Yes, but everything needs dedication, sir. I understood
Absolutely.
that only. I learned a lesson. I said no earlier also. I learned a lesson that ऐसे पढ़ते जाएंगे, ऐसे हो जाएंगे. You should not. It's not like a degree or some BCom exam. You should have strong dedication and along with that content पूरा दिमाग में घुस जाना चाहिए.
Concept
ऐसे
clarity and content
clarity
is the
चाहिए.
king.
Content पूरा clarity होना चाहिए. तभी question कैसे भी twist हो, we can answer that question. Otherwise ऐसे ही same question picture exam में भी represent हुआ, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Even I've solved 10 papers. Even you also did test papers like questions,
Yes.
revision questions every day. But this question paper was literally new, somewhat new, some kind of new questions will be there.
It has to be, yes.
Yeah, because I could answer it because the content is there in my mind. That's all, sir. Dedication should be there and timetable, punctuation, matlab punctuality should be there. Every time we discuss this time, this hour I have to complete this, in that hour we have to complete that.
True.
If you don't maintain that timetable and all, you cannot complete that, sir. Because that too, three groups at a time, you need very great dedication, sir. I learned that. And I thought
and that too without a gap, single gap.
This is the last time I'm attempting this CS, and I should get through it. And I got it.
Amazing, amazing. Simply amazing. So proud of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Any feedback on our classes and all?
Yes, sir. I really appreciate, sir. I feel blessed to have your classes. Actually, YouTube में ऐसे ही मिला था. Nobody suggested me this. I didn't know till then because of this COVID.
अच्छा हुआ, ये चीज मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, that you can judge a teacher on a YouTube not from a particular session. Watch his multiple sessions, there's so much content. If the content is not there on the YouTube, it means something is fishy. So watch his multiple contents, not a single session. A single session can be amazing of anyone. So watch multiple videos, at least 5-7 videos. Satisfy yourself whether he is having knowledge or not, that you can easily judge. And don't go on hearsay, because nowadays I see that some mafia groups have been developed. Mafia groups.
Competition है.
मतलब माफिया ग्रुप है वो, जो कोई एक पर्टिकुलर जो है अच्छा पढ़ा रहा होगा, ठीक है, उसके लिए नेगेटिव बोलेंगे जानबूझ करके ताकि बच्चे वहां पर नहीं जाए, और जो घटिया ही पढ़ा रहा होगा उसके लिए अच्छे बोलेंगे. आप समझ सकते हैं हाउ डज इट वर्क. सो आई एम टोटली अलूफ फ्रॉम दैट.
Got through. I mean, I really came through such students also. Telegram में बहुत ग्रुप्स है ना सर, उसमें भी
वो सब माफिया ग्रुप्स है, सब पेड ग्रुप्स रहते हैं.
हाँ, उसमें
तो भाई
जानबूझ के
मेरे को भी अप्रोच मिलता है कि आप पैसा दे दो. हम बोले नहीं भाई, हम क्यों पैसा दे. टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, मेरा खुद का टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है जो ऑथेंटिकेटेड है.
I don't know how can they say actually. I came across, sir, because on you also so many said, but I am literally taking your classes and I'm watching you.
You know the fact.
I don't know how could how could they say, and how I don't know how to believe them also. But I was on me. I had belief on me and you, sir, because बुक में जो है उसी का कंटेंट आप बता रहे, उसमें गलत क्या है I don't know, and how are they judging you wrong.
And in spite of the track record of so many positive results and students,
now they can see me. Actually, I can now proudly say nobody. I can just slap them if they say something like that.
No, but you know what they will say? They will say that you have been you have been paid money or something like that, they'll say. भाई उनका मुंह नहीं बंद करा सकते अपने, तो
I
मैं तो
know.
दिमाग में लगाता ही नहीं हूँ। मेरी जो टीम है वो मेरे को
हाँ
आकर के दिखाती है कि ये
हाँ
टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है, इसका ओनर एडमिन आपसे पैसा मांग रहा है तभी आपके बारे में अच्छा लिखेगा, नहीं तो खराब लिखेगा, और जानबूझ करके खराब लिखेगा, मार्केट खराब करना चाहेगा। हम बोला हम ये मार्केट समझते नहीं है, लेट मी डू व्हाट आई एम बेस्ट इन टीचिंग, और मेहनत करो, ठीक है, और अपने को ये सब चीज में पढ़ना नहीं है।
It's a good strategy, sir, and I am very
अल्टीमेटली
blessed.
ट्रूथ विल ट्रायम्फ।
I look up to you every time, sir. Carry on like this only. Many more students will come in your way, and you should
यस एब्सोल्युटली।
enlighten
हम
all
लोग
them also.
जितने स्टूडेंट्स अभी इनरोल्ड हैं उन लोग को
हाँ
सर्विस देते भाई, बहुत है, समझ में है, बहुत है।
आप डांटते तो भी अच्छा ही लगता है, क्योंकि कभी कभी मैं भी ऐसे ही लगती कि आई वाज आल्सो सिटिंग इन योर क्लास समटाइम्स। उसमें क्लासेस में ऐसे भी नॉर्मली रिकॉर्डेड है ना सर, डांटना भी है उसमें, तब कभी कभी मैं भी गलत बोल देती थी। सेम इफ आई हैड बीन इन दैट क्लास आई वुड आल्सो हैव बीन स्कोल्डेड लाइक दिस ओनली। It was very natural and very
Yes,
clarity content and all very good, sir. Everything which I not even a single chapter or single hour I've missed your speed बढ़ा के देखती थी कभी कभी, पर कुछ भी मिस नहीं किया।
मेरा स्पीड, लेकिन बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं सर आपका स्पीड ऑलरेडी आप 1.5x में बोलते हो, तो इफ यू
आपका
इंक्रीज
लैंग्वेज बहुत आसान, मतलब मुझे हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं आता बोलने का, पर समझ सकती हूँ। एवरी आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी वेरी वेल।
And
Your
to
language
solve
is
this
so
problem, I repeat, I make sure that the provisions are spoken in English.
Yes, everything is good, sir. Not only in Hindi, you also very good, you also communicate very good in English also. Everything is very fine for me, sir. No मतलब feedback ऐसे दे सकती हूँ कि awesome है।
Thank you
Everything
so
is
much,
very
thank
good.
you. And
Thank
what
you
are your
so
future
much.
plans from here now that you have
Actually,
qualified?
Actually, we have a company actually. For that, I'm a director, and मैं और मम्मा women empowerment जैसा, we have a company, so I look after that for now. Afterwards, I want to
I
work
hope
for
that
any corporate.
your company grows and it becomes one of the listed company, and then one women independent director will also be required, which you are not because you belong to the
I'm not.
promoter group.
Actually, I have to say I wish to work for a corporate, big corporate. I don't know. I'm now enjoying my success, and I'll plan later.
Great, awesome. So wish you all the very best for your future endeavors, and will surely remain connected.
Yes, sir, sure.
And looking forward to meet you. Okay, because one grand seminar will be organized. Okay, in which the felicitation will take place, because it has been due since last 1 year, and in last 1 year, almost more than 50 all India ranks of CA, CS, CMA we have what should I say, bagged, we have
Yes,
secured. So the felicitation ceremony, for that I'll be personally inviting you also. Okay,
thank you so much, sir.
thank you
so much.
And lots of good wishes to your husband and your father and your in-laws, and lots of love to your son.
Thank you.
What is his
Thank
name?
you so much. His name is Abhiram.
Abhiram.
Yes, Abhiram.
Abhiram, hello. Your mother, you won't understand why did she cry today, but you surely understand as and when you get older by time and wiser. So
Yes,
lots of love,
yes.
Abhiram. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Thank
Bye
you.
bye bye.